Let's make the perfect mac and cheese. Salt your water.
Elbow macaroni.
3 tablespoons butter.
3 tablespoons flour. Cook it down nice and brown.
Now 2 cans evaporated milk.
Okay, we need to season this so it doesn't taste like your food. Chipotle chili powder and smoked paprika.
And a little more salt.
Sharp cheddar.
Monterey Jack.
Turn off the heat and stir it all up. Look at that cheese. Pasta goes in.
That's what...
Not today. Macaroni.
Cheese.
Macaroni.
Cheese.
Bake 375 for 20 minutes. And as always, now bismillah. Seriously, one of the best mac and cheeses I've had. Nick, I don't think they were ready for this one.
Let's make brown butter garlic mashed potatoes. Yukon Gold potatoes.
Peel them.
Now we rest them in an ice bath.
And now we season like the ocean.
Potato.
Potato.
Nice and golden.
Garlic goes into the butter.
Now potatoes in a bowl.
And get them nice and steamy.
Push them through a strainer to get them fine like you.
Damn, it's almost as fluffy as me.
Heavy cream.
Brown garlic butt.
White truffle salt.
This looks absolutely incredible.
Chives to keep it healthy.
Here, bro, you need this more than me.
Now bismillah.
I promise you these were next level.
Let's make cast iron cornbread.
1.5 cups all-purpose flour.
A pinch of baking powder and baking soda.
And a pinch of salt.
Now crack in 3 eggs.
1.5 cups of milk.
2/3 cup honey. Did you like that?
No. Then 1 stick brown butter.
Then stir it all together.
Into the oven at 375 for 25 minutes.
Why is this so sexy?
And now we glaze with honey. Slice in just the perfect square.
Moist and fluffy, the way it's meant to be. Am I allowed to cut this into a triangle?
Silly good. Just trust me and make this.
Let's make potato gratin. Peel 3 russet potatoes.
3 sweet potatoes.
Then slice till nice and thin.
And rinse in ice water.
Now into a bowl 1.5 cups heavy cream.
3 tablespoons melted butter.
And 3 cloves minced garlic.
Then grate 2.5 cups Gruyere cheese.
Now layer your potatoes.
1/3 of the cream mixture.
Salt and pepper.
Fresh rosemary and thyme.
And a layer of cheese.
Repeat this process 2 more times.
But no cheese on top.
We have to save it for later. Cover and bake at 350 for an hour 15.
Now add a final layer of cheese.
And broil until golden, like me. And as always, now bismillah.
This is my favorite thing on Thanksgiving.
This dish will change your life.
Let's make 15-minute cranberry sauce.
Into a saucepan, 4 cups cranberries.
3/4 cup sugar.
Orange zest.
1/2 cup orange juice.
A drizzle of Pooh Bear.
And the dude from the Apple Jacks commercial.
Cover and cook on medium for 15 minutes.
You'll never buy cranberry sauce again.
This smells unbelievable. And as always, now bismillah. Honestly, I could eat spoonfuls of this. Let's make green bean casserole. Nick's built like this green bean.
Hey, 30 seconds in boiling water.
Then shock them in an ice bath. Oh look, it's Nick in the shower.
Now add your green beans,
Cream of chicken.
a dash of soy sauce,
Slivered almonds.
and lots of crispy onions.
350 for 25 minutes.
I hope this tastes as good as it sounds.
And as always, now bismillah.
I've never had a casserole before, so let's make the perfect Thanksgiving stuffing.
How about you stuff me?
Stick of butter,
Hiya!
celery and onion.
Look at me, I'm so cool.
Set this aside.
Use any old dry bread.
Then dice it up.
Add your celery and onions.
Then a touch of apple,
Celery seed and poultry seasoning.
a drizzle of buttermilk,
A splash of chicken stock.
and then salt and pepper.
Cover and bake at 400.
After about 20 minutes, toss this back in the oven uncovered till golden brown.
And as always, now bismillah. Oh wow. It seriously surprised me. This is my first time having stuffing. Ow! I can't hear. Cover and cook up.
I'm gonna cover when you say it.
Wait.
What are you doing?
It's just not gonna come out? From the Apple Jacks commercial.
I don't get it.
Because you don't know the Apple Jacks.
I don't know what that means.
You don't know what glossy means. When something's shiny.
Last year.
And as always, now bismillah.